Place is quite colorful. I like how this Stephen Avenue here, Stephen Avenue, 8th Ave, they lock it down so you can just walk around. There are sections where cars can drive, but for the most part it's okay. I think only like service vehicles are allowed out here. Yeah. See, it's plus 15. Shopboy has a sign that tells you can access a lot of these bridges that'll take you into different parts of downtown, like an indoor sidewalk. This one here is Banker Hall. It's a food court, really. Big store. Holy shit. I used to work at the Core Shop Mall downtown here, Calgary. 2016, pretty much the start of 2016, like 2017, to finish up like 17 years of security, pretty much. Worked with Garda World. It was a good time. Then they sent me over to like, well, before I quit security altogether, it's like I ended up going to Tillis Tower for quite a while, my first street tower. It was alright. Devonian Gardens are pretty cool. Like a tropical environment. And so it was one end of the walk-in kind of business district of the food court. Indoor mall. This is the actual mall. The structures are pretty cool. This home tower, dome tower. I got stuck in an elevator. So like 16th floor. Home oil tower one night. It was like 3 in the morning or some shit. Same with Lancaster building. Lancaster building, a lot of the guards would freak out and not want to patrol like the 7th floor. I think it was 8th floor actually. They never wanted to patrol the 8th floor. It always seemed like it was scary, sketchy. It just seemed like haunted, you know. Every guard had that vibe. Even me, but I just gotta ignore it. But I was training some newer guards. I would mess with them a little bit here and there. Only one guard ever did that too. It was kind of funny. He went on to be like a cop or something. Yeah. This is the CEC section of the building. I think they have steak. Oh, across. Steak near the main food court's up on the 4th floor. That's like the plus 15, like I said. But this one has like a plus 30. Plus 45. So plus 15, I guess, gets his name from being approximately 15 feet off the ground. And plus 30, approximately 30. Maybe 45 or so. It's pretty cool. Certain areas like that. This area is obviously you can drive here, so. I was contracted this side. We weren't really supposed to be over here, but there was a couple of instances where the guards were getting turkeyed, getting their asses kicked, and we ran over and helped out. Good job, sir. Good job. Holt Renfrew was the last part of the core kind of shopping mall property section. And that's its own little beast, I'll tell you. It looks pretty, but on the inside and the back corridors, I found a fake wall. And like 3rd floor or something. And in the back, there was like people camped out inside. They've been there for like a month, at least. It's cool. Barcelona. This place is not too bad. Pretty good food. A good hangout spot. Been here a couple times. Holt Renfrew is a really posh store. They never go into it. What a mock. Some homeless crackies tried to jump me out here one night. It didn't work out for them. Everybody has a fucking coffee or tea. No joke. And people around here drink coffee and tea and I guess hot chocolate. Almost all cops have coffee, tea, whatever. There's a cleaner over here has a coffee drink. We're all addicted to caffeine, man. I'll tell you. I'm assuming it's coffee. They're cooking tea, hot chocolate, like I said. This structure over here, this one's under, watching myself here, my ass kicked by bikers. But this one here is where they filmed The Last of Us. One of the zones where they filmed The Last of Us. It's pretty cool. I auditioned for a couple parts, but I never got in. I remember when I went by to roust some of the people I knew, and the security came by. I was only just playing around, but they're like, we're making a really expensive mayonnaise commercial. I guess that's what you tell people who are asking, hey man, what are you filming here? Fuck off. Yeah, I was in a lot of productions in this town, so that's pretty cool. Like, I don't know, I was in Billy the Kid, standing, see like the second team. Fuck. One of these buildings, I'm not sure where it is. I think it's like 2 blocks down or something on the main 7th Avenue. Take a detour here, and one of the shops, the towers, was the kind of office space for the people who were writing and drawing Captain Canuck Action Comics. I think it's this building here, but it's on the other side. Anyways, I'll pick this up in a wee.